Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in this video today we're going to be using a free plugin called Divi Enhancer, and you can get it from this link here. I'll drop this below the video, or you can simply go to add new plugins and type in Divi Enhancer in the search and it'll do it for you. Divi is an absolutely awesome theme. It just keeps getting better and better. Just the inbuilt features that it has regularly are awesome. I've built so many sites with it. It's just unbelievable. If you want to take it for a test drive, you can do it from my affiliate link below this video. So let's get started. What we're going to do today is build these cool looking little cards, breakout cards. Fantastic if you've got WooCommerce products or you just want to advertise something or draw attention to something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enable the visual builder. Again, we're going to do everything on the front end today. I'm just going to add a new section, a little blue button right here. Regular section, and I'm going to use 3 rows. And here are the extra modules you get with the Divi Enhancer, and the one that I'm actually going to use today is the DE box, Divi Enhancer box. If I go down, what I'll do is I'll get rid of this row that's above it right here in a minute so we don't get confused. And when this box opens, this is what you see. I'm going to add an image. I think I used that one. The only thing with this thing is you don't get to see it in real time. Once you save it, it comes up fine. So you may have to adjust it a couple of times going in and out of the visual browser, but that's okay. I'm going to say house brewed coffee. Or house brew, that'll do. I'm just going to add a bit of dummy text here. Obviously, if you've got something real to put in there, you've got some real text to put in. I'm just going to put that in the content area. I'm going to select an icon. I guess I'm going to, these are the inbuilt Divi icons that come with Divi as a regular thing. I'm going to put the check mark. Of course, you can put in absolutely anything you want. There's a huge variety here. And the main color, I'm going to use that green that I've been using on the rest of this page. The link, I don't have one, so I'm just going to put in a hashtag. Of course, if you've got a WooCommerce product, you can link to your WooCommerce product, or if you've got a menu or whatever it is you want this little box to take people to, that's where you want to put the link. And whatever you want the button to say, I'm just going to say buy now. Design wise, this is really simple. Design wise, text, which is the text that actually appears in the box. I'm going to leave it default, regular. I'm not going to capitalize or anything like that. I'm going to align it middle. And I'm not going to actually change anything else for what we've got going on here. And next thing, heading text, same thing. I'm going to leave it, it's H2, I'm going to leave it as default and regular. I'm going to leave it as the default color. The only thing I'm going to actually do is align it centrally as well. Okay. And let's go down. I'm just going to give this a little box shadow. I think that was the one I used. Looking at the one above, that looks about right. Or was it this one? I think it was that one. Okay, so I'm just going to save it, hit the little check mark. Like I said, it's got the shortcodes in there, so you're not actually viewing this in real time as you're building it, which I'd kind of like to see, but even so, it's no big deal. And I'm going to get rid of this row that's above it, or this section that's above it, so we don't get confused. And I'm going to save, hit the little purple button, save, wait till we get the check mark, and then exit the Visual Builder and it will appear for us. We scroll down. There it is. And that's a pretty fancy little box. I like that. It's nicely styled. And of course, if you click on this button, it'll take your visitors wherever it is you want to take them. So let's continue. Like I say, if it's not the way you want it, you're going to have to go back in the Visual Builder, tweak it, come back out and just check it out. But that's no big deal for you know what you're getting from a free plugin here. So I'm going to enable the Visual Builder again. And I'm going to go down. I'm simply going to clone these or duplicate them using the two little oblongs right there. Just click on that. It duplicates it. I'm going to do that twice, so we've got 2 copies. Grab the little cross icon on the right hand side, drag it up to where I want it, which is next door. And the same thing for the second one. And I'm simply going to go in, click the edit cog. I'm just going to change the image. Grab that one. That looks like orange juice to me. So all I'm going to do is change that. I'm not going to change the link. Obviously, you'd want to change the link. You can change the icon and anything else you want to. But for expediency and demonstration, I'm just going to change the title. And same thing for the next one. Simply hit the cog to edit. Get rid of that original image, add a new one. And whatever it was, I called this one fruit tea or something like that. Simply save that, check mark. Go down a little purple button, click on it, left click, hit the save on the right hand side. Once we have the check mark there, exit the Visual Builder. And let's go down and see what we've got. There you have it. You've got 3 little interesting breakout boxes there to advertise your products or wares or services or whatever you'd like to advertise there. Of course, you could use these for image profiles for people. You could have an image of a person there and their little bio underneath for your staff pics. All kinds of different things you could use these for. Obviously, I've just done them for a few drink products here. But for a free little plugin, I think Divi Enhancer's done very well with this little module, and I'm quite pleased with that. And it's taken about 5 minutes to do those 3, so it's pretty quick. So I hope you found that useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, have a look down below. We've got some great free web development courses, as well as some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers, so do take a look. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.